What's going on, everyone? So today I'm filming content for day 2 of my 4-day upper lower body split. After a warm-up, these two movements I specifically use whenever I'm doing any type of squat movements or knee dominant movements. We're going to go about 2 rounds of 12 reps, and it's going to consist of seated banded pull aparts with the isolated hold in that open position, about 2 to 3 seconds, and then 12 banded squats. I am working a narrow stance, and then I am focusing on driving my knees outward and pulling the stance hard as I am squatting. In doing so, my depth is going to be limited, and that's okay because the purpose is to activate the glute muscle. Barbell back squatted in some time, to start off with the box or start off with a dumbbell or kettlebell in the goblet position. That is a beginner's squat, and that is what I recommend as a fitness professional. The second exercise is going to be Romanian deadlift. I'm just going to use some dumbbells. Let's get into it. Next group of exercises are leg press and walking lunges. 3 sets on both 10 to 12 reps each. If you don't have access to a leg press machine, you can switch the exercise out for any type of squat variation. Those feel great. Your knees don't necessarily have to hit the ground. That just creates unnecessary impact on that knee. However, try and get them as low as you can. Woo. All right, the next group of exercises that we're gonna get into are reverse lunges, and then immediately into those curtsy lunges, try not to set the weights down. Start out with the weight that is light enough to allow you to perform the second exercise right after the first. We are going 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. That is challenging. I chose 30 pounds. Whew. If you feel uncomfortable loading it, I recommend being humble and just sticking to body weight. Again, this is a beginner workout. Don't get injured, but challenge yourself. All right, the last group of exercises are designed to work your core and your posture. We're gonna start off with loaded carries, and then the second exercise that we're gonna work with this is Russian twist. Challenging. The goal is to stay nice and tall. Head is high, crown of the head is high. This exercise can push you a lot. The goal is to maintain the tall chest, rib cage stays locked in, and you don't try and set the weight down. You keep the elbows tucked and you rotate around the torso. 12 to 15 reps each side. If you start feeling discomfort during that exercise in the lower back, in your hip flexors, just drop your heels and keep working in motion. All right, guys, just finished up with day 2 of the 4-day upper lower body split. I regressed the exercises so they can be catered more specifically to the workout itself. Leave me a comment if you need help choosing an exercise that works the same movement. Say you don't have a leg press machine, say you don't have a barbell. Just leave a comment and I will do my best to find an exercise to implement in place of said exercise. This can be done in your local gym, your apartment gym, or at home with just body weight. Again, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or you need help choosing the proper exercise. Whatever you guys do, kill it, be safe, be humble, work on your health, your nutrition, and your mental health, guys. That's highly important. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and you're recovering as well, all right? Go on daily walks and don't hesitate to reach out. I do provide meditation videos, so take a look at those to help with your mental health as well. I will link my dynamic warm-up that I recommend you do before each one of these workouts. You guys have a great week. Peace.